Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Daniel Anthony here, and in this video, come close, let's talk. When exactly is the perfect time to become a content creator? Is there a perfect time? Well, I'll put it straight to you. There is no perfect time to become a content creator, but this is 2026 and most of you are complaining that you are broke. Yeah, most of my audience are complaining to me that they are broke. Most of my friends, my viewers are complaining to me that they are broke. Some of them do come down to my WhatsApp, chatting me up, telling me that they are broke. Hey Daniel, I'm broke. I watch your video on YouTube where you're talking about how to make money online as a content creator, how to make money online by judiciously utilizing social media platforms. So when exactly is the perfect time to become a content creator? Well, let me put it straight to you. There is no perfect time to become a content creator. When I started 4 years ago here on YouTube, I didn't wait for perfect time. You know, I didn't even ask question if this is the perfect time to start. I just started. You get it? Although content creation have been around for quite some decades now, if I'm not mistaken, let's say 2 to 3 decades, that's about 20 to 30 years, content creation have been existing. And this is a business that are proven to stand the test of time. And if you have been following me up here on YouTube, what I do here is that I basically train students on how to build sustainable income stream online by taking advantage of 3 internet space, which happens to be the content creation business space, the social media space, and the crypto space. Now I'm on the content edition. Well, there is no perfect time to become a content creator. If anybody tells you that there's a perfect time to become a content creator, that is a fat lie. So if the fact now is that anybody can become a content creator at any given time of the day, month, or year, what exactly is content creation? You need to know what this business is all about. Yes, this is a business that has stood the test of time for me. It's a business that has stayed sustainable for me. It's a business that I've confirmed to be a sustainable way of building online income stream for anyone from any part of the world. So that is why I seriously preach about it. But not everybody can become a content creator. But for those of us that have decided to become content creators, there is still room for anyone to become a content creator, undermining the saturation of the market. So what is content creation? Well, content creation is basically creating or producing materials for an online audience. And these materials could either be video content, written content, audio content, and infographics. But the most popular form of content the world has adopted seriously today is video content. Written content is also there, just like your blog post, your music is there, your podcast is there, which happens to be your audio content. But video content is the one the world has really adopted for the sake of making money. Especially those of us that are poor, those of us that don't have money, those of us that don't really have startup capital to set up a physical business. Being a content creator is a very advisable kind of business. So what exactly is the perfect time? No perfect time. Anybody can start anytime, any day. You understand? With just your mobile phone, a simple microphone like this, you get started. All you just need to know is that you have to pick a niche. You have to learn some digital skills. In order to become a content creator, you must become a video editor, because there is no content creator that do not know how to edit video. Especially if you're a starter creator, you cannot be outsourcing the video editing job to somebody outside or to a freelancer. You will not be able to pay for the services because you are here to start making money from your content creation business. You understand? Like when I started this channel, the first thing I did was to go and learn video editing, and I had to also learn some basic graphic design skills for the designing of my YouTube thumbnail. As soon as you can master these 2 things, you are very okay to get started. Then after mastering these 2 things now, you now have to pick a platform, a social media platform for creating this your content and publishing it over there, because content creation business and the social media platform work intertwined. They work hand in hand, because social media platform is like the marketplace where you display your video content. If you are going into video content, you must pick a social media platform. Just like me that is into tutorial, the best social media platform for people that are into tutorial content is YouTube. Then people that are into skits or comic kind of content, let's say series or movies, are very good on Facebook and TikTok. You get it? It's also good here on YouTube if you want to be taking advantage of YouTube Shorts. People that are into skits, skit content are not so much long, so they prefer doing it on TikTok. It grows very fast on TikTok and also on Facebook by publishing it as Facebook Reels. So this business has proven to stand the test of time, and anyone can start anytime, any day. As long as you have a phone and access to internet connectivity, you are good to go. You don't need to wait to be a pro before you can get started. You understand? That is how some people really get it wrong. They are waiting for the perfect time. They are waiting for the perfect gadget to start content creation. They think content creation is a business that requires you to be very rich, or it's a business that requires you to have all of the sophisticated gadgets, because you have been watching content creators that have been doing well, content creators that are already successful. You now started thinking that if you really want to grow here, or if you really want to do this thing, you have to be like those creators that are already doing well. Well, let me tell you, some of these creators that you are watching that are already doing well, they started very badly. Like their very first content weren't good enough like the one you watch now. Some of them started with little or nothing. They started with little or no resources. They started with little or no money in their bank account. All you just have to know is that your skill is what sells you as a content creator. And you can start anytime, any day. Although the content creation space is not saturated, but there is still room for beginners. Because out of the total amount of internet users, content creators are not even up to 30%. So consumers are the 70% left. So you just imagine, we have 70% of people to serve, and we only have 30% of people serving it. That's if it's even up to that 30%. That means the ecosystem needs more content creators. Just that you have to be good at what you do. Just go and learn some digital skill. Okay, in case you want me to guide you on how to start your content creation journey, just the way I started 4 years ago, and now I'm here still doing it, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp +234-8167-852996, and I will guide you. I will not sell you a course. I will not sell any acceleration course. I will not sell you anything. I will not tell you to come and join my masterclass, because I don't do that here. I believe in practical. I'm a practical teacher. If you want to learn from me, you want to know how to become a content creator, I will hold you on your hand and walk you through the basic step-by-step guide. I'll walk you out, okay, this is what you have to go and buy, this is the gadget you have to go and buy, this is the skill you need to go and acquire. It's basically skill. Content creation is basically skill, technical know-how. You understand? Don't let anybody deceive you that you have to go and buy a course, read up and down, full. No. Basic skill is what you just need to get started. As you go, as you transition the part of being a content creator, you get better. You get perfect. Even if you buy a course of how to become a content creator that worth at least $1,000, if you start, you will still not be a good content creator. You understand? You must learn it. You understand? You have to go through the process. You have to go through the process, because Rome was not built in a day. You cannot become a content creator today and become very perfect today. Just like me, when I started, I was not confident enough to show my face on camera. I was only doing screen recorded content. Although it blew up, that was how this channel started. You can go and watch my previous videos. I was never showing my face. It is recently I started showing my face, because I became perfect over the years. So anyone can start. It doesn't matter. There is no perfect time to start content creation business. You understand? And you don't need all of the sophisticated gadgets with just your mobile phone. This video you're watching right now, I'm shooting it with my mobile phone. And to your greatest surprise, it's not even an iPhone. This microphone costs just 25,000 naira. The ring light I'm using costs just 20,000 naira. So with less than 100,000 naira, you can start your content creation journey, and you can start your content creation business. I've been making money here on YouTube for the past 4 years, and I'm still making money. So this business are proven to stand the test of time. Sustainability is what I really look out for when it has to do with making money online. I don't joke with sustainability. So you can start. You can start now. This is 2026, right? You can start. You can still start 2027, but start now. The earlier, the better. But there is no perfect time to start content creation business, because the ecosystem is demanding for more content creators as it stands now. And when you start, stay consistent. Keep firing it until you start seeing results. Okay? So there's no perfect time. Don't let anybody deceive you. Like I said, if you want to become this content creator, get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I will train you step by step. I will hold your hand and walk you through the path. Okay? Simple gadgets is what you need. Video editing skill, simple graphic design skill. Then you pick a niche. If it's education, if it's tutorial just like the one I'm doing now, I've been able to figure out my own sub niche. I teach people content, social media, and crypto. So you too, find something that you can teach people. If it's about crypto, you want to start teaching people about, good and fine. There are so many people searching online. They will learn from you. When I started posting video, I never knew people would learn from me. It was after some time, I started seeing some engagement. People were liking my content. People were watching my content. Some of my content started doing thousands of views. People started commenting. People started telling me that, oh, you are doing a very great job. You know, people started applauding me, sending me accolades. Some of them even started offering me freelance services, asking me questions, booking for mentorship section. Wow. And I started with little or nothing. So don't take it for a joke, my dear. Do not take it for a joke, okay? It's still your boy Daniel Anthony. Let me just end it here. There's no perfect time to become a content creator. You can start now. With little or no gadgets, you can start just your mobile phone, a simple ring light, and a simple microphone. You can start. If it's tutorial, if it's comedy skit, you can start. Just start. You can be a solo content creator like me. I do my thing alone. I don't need crowd or multitude. So if you don't have money, you can become a solo content creator. You understand? If you don't have money to hire other people, let's say you want to start making movies and you don't have money to start hiring other people, you can become a solo content creator just as I am doing. And you thank me at the end of the day, I promise you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until we meet again, it's still your boy Daniel Anthony. I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye-bye and peace. And note, there is no perfect time to start content creation business. You can start now, you can start tomorrow. But I would advise you start now. The earlier, the better. Delay is dangerous. Procrastination is a thief of time. And you can do this thing anywhere. Consistency beats location. It's not about where you are doing this thing from. It is about what you are doing every day. Okay? I love you. Peace.